For mx, s to the power 2 equals 4 times 10 to the power minus 8 implies s1 equals 2 times 10 to the power minus 4m. For mx2, 4s to the power 3 equals 3.2 times 10 to the power minus 14 equals 32 times 10 to the power minus 15 implies s to the power 3 equals 8 times 10 to the power minus 15 implies s2 equals 2 times 10 to the power minus 5m. For m3x, 27s to the power 4 equals 2.7 times 10 to the power minus 15 equals 27 times 10 to the power minus 16 implies s to the power 4 equals 10 to the power minus 16 implies s3 equals 10 to the power minus 4m. Comparing them, 2 times 10 to the power minus 4 10 to the power minus 4 2 times 10 to the power minus 5, which means s1 s3 s2 or mx m3x mx2. The answer is A, C.